Compatible vehicles speaker harness for 1,998 up Ford vehicles. Easy installation, no cutting into original wires needed, plugs directly into harness. Add a black electrical tapes wide about 3/4 inch length 16 feet 1 roll.Repairing spliced wires, cable insulation, wire bundling, and a great all-around house. What you get: 4 total harnesses included, 2 pairs included.Add a black electrical tapes. 12-month manufacturer's warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. Great purchase. Made my speaker install a very easy project. I would recommend this item.